Hi, DigiDino here. I will explain you a little bit what I'm doing here. So I have a XML file, and this is actually a trivia quiz. So, and in the XML file, I have my categories, questions, and then the correct answer, wrong answers, and stuff. And from these categories, I'm gonna make my buttons. And let me play you just for a second. So as you can see, now I made 4 buttons, and these buttons are going to be placed in an array, and then I'm going to use that action that I made. But let me explain first a little bit more. So later on, I want to put this on a server or somewhere online, and then when I start to play the game, I'm going to upload it, or I'm going to download it from the server. And I might add some categories later on. And if I would preset these, then I need to update the game, and so I need to change the APK or something if it's for Android, or for PC also it need to be updated and stuff. But if I use this, there is no update needed. So that's why I really like this approach. And so what I'm actually doing here is, with the XML, I'm going to get my category or my categories, and then for each category I'm going to make a button. And let me go into the game. So I just have a button as a clone, and I'm gonna, in this data collector, I'm gonna make the name on these buttons in the text and stuff. Then after I have this, then I'm gonna say it's ready, and then I can start with this action. So here I have the action here, and I'm using an array list now, but I have also an action for the array instead of array list. And then I have my reference for the buttons, so I have my buttons here, and now I'm just using the game objects and not the button components. But then to put this action on the on the ecosystem, I wanted to make it that you can only put in an array with buttons. But if it just is not possible, then I'm just gonna make like a warning or something on it, that because I do think this is a very powerful button. So what I'm doing here also on this, I'm going to get the click index. So from the button that is clicked, I'm gonna get that index number. So I'm not gonna have an event for each array in the list, but just only the index. And with that index, you can do a lot of things, because I know on what index the button is clicked, and then so when I click, it's gonna reset all the other ones to white, or actually it's gonna set everything to white, and then the button that is clicked, I'm gonna set to green. So I stored this button clicked index, and then from that index I'm gonna get the button and then do something with it. So yeah, I think that's enough explanation so you understand how it works, and why also it's powerful, this one. Yeah, you can also use it as a preset in an array list. So, and I also made this UI array, so UI button from array index. And so the problem is that it doesn't see the UI button component, but it only gets the object. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.